Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Val Thérèse, Ontario, a community in the Greater Sudbury area that blends small-town warmth with modern conveniences. This area began to grow in the mid-20th century as families settled here for its open spaces and easy access to the city. Over time, the neighborhood has grown into a busy hub with shops, schools, and recreational spaces that serve both residents and visitors. Surrounded by forests, lakes, and trails, it's a place where nature is never far from your doorstep. The community takes pride in its bilingual heritage, with both French and English widely spoken. Seasonal changes bring fresh beauty, from colorful fall foliage to bright summer days. Whether you're here to explore, shop, or simply enjoy the scenery, Val Thérèse offers a warm welcome and a reason to return. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Val Thérèse, Ontario. Watching.